Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Today you're checking out the 2021 Heartland Milestone 386BH, a bunkhouse fifth wheel. Start with plush reclining chairs, perfect for kicking back. Fridge keeps drinks cold nearby. Stove, microwave, and cabinets handle full meals easy. Sink sits ready for prep. Kitchen table sets for family dinners. TV rear shows a table folding to a bed with bunk above. Across more bunks, cabinets, and loft for kids or gear. Rear bath has shower, toilet, sink, mirror for guests. Up front, main bath gives shower, toilet, sink, mirror. Bedroom delivers bed, closet beside, full washer and dryer right there. Dresser and TV across for private comfort.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.